to lean it against there like that. And we know that that axle will be at the bottom. So, but we'll have to do it the other way around. We'll have to do this one first.
This one.
Okay. So
This one.
yep. Okay. So you can see how it's lining up with those holes there. That one there, and that one there. We need to screw those on. Now the screws, you need one bolt, 2 washers, and 1 nut per hole. So you got that? So just tip a few out. Now these have got what they call a nylon insert. They've got it. Yeah, that's right. No, that's right. No. It's always going to be difficult. It's got a nylon. It's got a nylon insert of nylon inside, so it stops it coming undone. This is the only one you can use. So that. Okay, now that's the wrong size. The next size up. This is the most famous spanner I've ever seen. If you look at that spanner, on one side of it's got a round side. And yesterday when I looked at this, I said, they've sent me all these spanners that are all busted. But when I tried to use it, if you get it the right way around, it works. If you're going clockwise with that, it clicks into spot and works. You see that? Then if you want to undo it, you turn the spanner over and go back the other way. If you go this way, it doesn't work. See? I've never seen one before. I've never.
So smart.
So if you. So I would do it up. Not fully, just do it up because you mightn't get the other ones in to line up. Yeah.
We can speak for 2 hours.
Yeah. When we put the 4 on.
Yep. And Sealock would certainly encourage you to secure it to the ground.
Yeah, and also. Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah, and these bolts, which are there, were not supplied by Sealock. Well, I can't find them anyway. I've looked through all the boxes and I can't find them, so we bought some locally. So they just go in, and at this stage we'll leave it up because we're going to move it. What we're going to do next is we're going to mount this green feed onto the trolley.
Yeah.
So if we get some tools, excuse me, when you undo the front 2 bolts at the front there, please keep them because they are going to hold that unit on. So there's 4 bolts there. They can all come out. So there's 2 with an Allen with a. Where's the black handle thing? Yep, and that one. So that's for the front ones. This one is for those silver ones.
What is this one?
It'll be hard to do.
Yeah.
You probably. So keep those Just ordinary. Do you want me to get another screwdriver for there? You can't get those out?
No, cannot. I need a bigger one. Yeah, in front.
No, right out at the front?
Here or
Look, you can do it.
I'm driving.
Just there. Okay. Just put those legs down so it's solid.
And screw it.
Yep. Yeah, we'll get the spanner on because it can tip when we get the weight on it. Okay, so a couple of strong guys there. And you're just going to lift it.
Yeah.
I can lift it.
1, 2, yeah, someone move.
Straight sideways and just sit it on the side there.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Be careful.
Higher.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
Now,
Pop it down.
No.
So now don't try not to.
step down.
We'll try not to scratch it. So rather than don't slide it because it scratches the.
Yeah.
So we
bring
ju-
up.
we just bring it up and bring it up.
1, 2, 3.
Now forward now. Forward to me.
Yeah, forward.
Okay.
Right forward. Keep coming. Keep coming.
Coming?
Yep. Right now
Now we need to spin. Perfect.
the two screws that were saved
All right.
will screw straight in.
Move a little bit.
Which way? Which way?
Right.
Can you move?
Right. Move a little bit. Right.
All right. No. Again.
We've got to get them
A little bit. No. Okay.
both. Put them in together so they're both lined up. There you go. Yeah. So you just line that up there.
No, this one.
Yeah. Those ones.
This one.
Yep, those ones.
So it's not usable anymore?
No, they're not usable anymore. It's only the front two. There should be a nut on the other side of that, is there?
No.
Righto. Now, I think we're now going to have to move this outside.
Yeah.
Because once we start to build the chimney, it's going to be too hot. So I think we might need to move Daisy, the cow, and come out like that, and then go back to like this.
Okay. Oh, not good at parking.
Yeah, sunlight is also